Okay, I'm going to attempt to drown myself. You can try this at home. You can be just like me.
It don't have peanuts, it's peanut butter.
Yeah,
like peanut butter interior.
Yeah,
Hey, slow down, slow down. Say what?
This right in my stomach.
Whatever he said. What's up, YouTube? Right Lifestyle back again with another video, like he said. And today
we got a track hawk.
Today we got a track hawk.
Yeah.
And what else?
So today we done the road so we can put things in the car.
Yep. So today we are headed to the homie house so that we can throw these parts into Menace. Because like I told y'all before, Menace was down. I mean, I don't know if y'all can see me. Menace was down for the past, since the day before Thanksgiving. Menace went down. Blew a hole in piston 7, but we didn't know until we found out when I did a pressure test. Like I bought all the kits and stuff, and I did a the pressure test for the the cylinders and stuff, and come to find out, boom, there it was. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, so my homeboy Manny, he the mad genius, broke it all down, and he got it, took everything off, took the supercharger off and everything, and looked at it, and that's when we seen it. Boom, right then and there. Boom.
And today we going to Mena house and we got a Challenger and a TRX.
Yeah, man, he got a Challenger in the TRX. He really wanted y'all to know that. So
yeah, so we going to get a TRX.
Okay, we're not getting a TRX. But anyway, we're gonna go over there, chop it up with him for a second, let y'all see the whip, man. I'm gonna spin the engine, because he was able to put the other piston in. And we're not racing anybody, just so y'all know. But today, man, I'm not following him up, y'all. But anyway, I'll pick it up when we get back. I'll pick it up when we go over to my boy house. And whatever he said. So I'll see y'all in a second. I pressed a fucking button. It didn't record none of that shit. It recorded absolutely nothing. But the red light was on, but it's not popping up that it was recording. Ain't that some liver licking? Well, y'all missed a bunch of information. Hey. Long story short, it works.
Yeah, you gotta press play. Yeah, that's how it works. When you start a car, you press the on button.
I don't got an on button.
Yeah. All right, so what did we do, Danny? What did we do?
Looked at the car and talked a little bit.
Got him! We spun the engine around. Pistons go up and down. Everything was tightened correctly. Everything's good. Oil pan's installed. No issues. Oh, and by the way, to all you fucking big time mechanics, all you big time mechanics out there, you don't have to take an engine out to replace a piston. Now you should, because you've got to replace the whole fucking, you might as well replace everything. But
even what he told me is easier.
Well, yeah. If a situation like this occurs and you don't have to take the engine out to take the oil pan out. A lot of people like dropping the entire subframe, or they like taking the whole engine out just to replace a cylinder or fix something. You don't have to do that. It's not that serious. You just gotta know a thing or two.
I know a thing, but I don't know two.
Yeah.
Yeah, this a home thing, right?
Yeah. Clean up the cylinder wall.
Clean up the cylinder wall a little bit.
Yeah.
It's a one-time use?
You're supposed to use one for all 8 cylinders. But yeah, that one needed some love. Because when the piston decided to break, it was scratching everything. Yeah.
The whole thing fell off. I still can't believe that. Oh yeah, I gotta reach. That's crazy. I didn't realize how big the piston is though. Did I put that on there?
Yeah, this ain't supposed to do this. This fell out. When I took the piston out, this fell out. And luckily, this didn't fall out inside the engine while it was spinning. So, yeah. That's pretty bad.
Crazy.
It's got a hole in it. Yeah, what, 30 pounds of compression?
Yeah, 30 pounds.
Nothing?
Out of 180.
Yeah, we're just feeling the pressure inside the crankcase is what you were getting. That just means everything was sealed correctly. Everywhere else.
That's crazy. And so I want to see.
See how much longer it looks? You'll barely notice it. It's the threads that stretch just out here.
Damn. The old gasket. This one look like 3.
No, that's 4.
Oh, it's just really, really smush.
Every gasket material has a different function. One time use. You can feel the dents on this one. You won't feel it on the other ones.
Oh, this one got the dents you was talking about? Oh, okay, right there.
You feel the dents up here, down there. You'll still feel it a little bit over there, but not as
It'll
thick.
be, yeah.
It'll be a little more squished.
Yeah, you gonna feel it. All right, yeah, like you said, it's real. Word of the day, minute. Y'all, this is crazy. This is.
Shit, if you want, we can just put the cylinder head on there.
Huh?
We can just put it on there.
It's up to you, man. I'm on your time. Whatever you need me to do, or you know, either or. Where's my phone? Ow, my knee. Oh, but for those that are new, you know what I'm saying? I got some new subs, which is crazy. We almost at 800. It's my charger. This is the one I was telling y'all about that took a dookie on me. It took a dookie, but it was my fault. Hey, well, Manny preached to me for a couple days, basically called me a dummy without calling me a dummy. Do your own oil changes. You'll be able to catch stuff. So I would have been able to catch this before it got that bad. Cause I didn't know until my code popped up that I had it. That it was a cylinder. Like all it popped up at one time.
Yeah, everybody that I know that, you know, takes their vehicle, cause I ain't gonna lie, this TRX, when I bought it brand new, well, not new, with like 7,000 miles, it's kind of new.
That's new to me. Shit.
Well, I took a look, and when I did my first oil change, it had a cheap ass little garbage paper filter style oil.
Like how mine, like you said, they did with mine. That
You
little
literally have the same exact
Literally.
Yeah, you literally have the same exact oil filter. The Ford Fiesta that I have is my daily. That same exact oil filter. The same cartridge. Which is crazy to think that they would put some shit like that in a car like this.
Yeah.
Also, the HELLCATs have an extra service part. You have to drain the oil cooler line, and if you don't, it's gonna be shit. Which I'm gonna show you when we do the oil change. You'll see. You have to do it because I guarantee you probably might have some metal shavings all up in the oil cooler. That's why we're gonna do a shit oil change.
What the hell is that?
It's in the front bumper in the corner.
Oh shit!
This is your oil cooler. there's like a little cooler in there, and then this is a transmission cooler.
Okay, I remember you told me that was about that transmission one, but I didn't. Okay.
Yeah, if you look, you can see the little
You got-
fins. It's like a tiny little radiator. That's what it looks like, but it's actually a cooler. Yep. And you'll see, it's just a little 15 millimeter. You break it loose, and you're probably gonna get like half a quart of oil.
That's wild.
A lot
I
of it.
didn't.
A lot of it. And yeah.
This is his up badge V6 wide body.
Yeah, a little bit.
It's like the best V6 in the state of Georgia.
Yeah, it's a hybrid.
Oh
Hybrid synergy.
yeah, synergy, right?
Yeah, hybrid synergy. Yeah, man. Funky shit.
I gotta
4.5 years.
get my paint like this. You got the hybrid, got the hybrid.
Yeah. Hybrid.
This shit's still crazy.
But it might-
I still see the car, I still be like, damn, like this shit crazy. Even though it's cheap, but it's still
This
crazy.
junk. This junk. It's slow. It's a boat.
The way I still can't believe you took all the 10 off.
I like it, man.
Fucking fish bowl thing, yo.
Guess what? Cops don't bother me.
Fish bowl.
Cops don't bother me.
I still gotta get a steering wheel, man. That steering wheel crazy. Say you in the army without saying you in the army. You wasn't in 82nd.
I was.
Oh shit.
I went through real quick. I passed through.
We just walked in. Can I get one of those, please?
No, I was in 82nd.
Oh, you guys know these exhaust tips on there?
No, bro, I had this forever.
Why they look big?
They've been like that. They've been like that since day one. Actually,
Maybe because I didn't see the car.
6 months of ownership, I put those on.
Maybe because I didn't see the car in some weeks. It's been some weeks.
Been a long time.
Yeah. That's so crazy. The suspension they got on this shit. Oh, these
That is my favorite feature of this truck. Is those.
Oh, the
That's so cool.
oh, you got light in here.
Yeah. You don't get that with the cheap one. If you get the cheap
Long story short, I told him I found a TRX for 80,000, and he's like, "You don't want that. It's cheap. It got no options." And he's trying to show off.
they ain't got no options for real.
This is what this is like my selling point right here, in the whole
The 2023 TRXs, they're coming out. They're coming out with that big.
Oh, you got a
screen.
dash cam now?
Yeah.
How much was that one?
That one, that was like $80 on Amazon.
For real? Is it good though?
It never broke.
Oh, shit. Is it front and rear or just front?
Just front. The rear one, the one with the front and rear is like 120.
A simple install?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm asking you. I don't know why I'm asking you.
Plug it in and you're done. Yeah.
Crazy. But yeah, if you up for it, I mean, I ain't gonna hold you up.
I mean, I don't know. I mean, we can you just throw it on there, put the bolts, and then tighten them up, but it only takes so many minutes. And then at least we just did that. Let it settle or whatnot. Because it's just literally just gotta put it on and put the bolts in. That's all we gotta do.
And fit the
exhaust.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Put the exhaust one on and then lower the car and we're good to go. Yeah. It was good.
Hell yeah. This is crazy, man.
Just to get it snug. Now let's make sure that that cable, that wire's out of the way. That's connected to the exhaust.
This one, right?
Yeah, I don't
Yeah,
want
the
no
O2.
pinching.
Yeah, it's all the way. It is. Yeah, it's up.
Just feel around, make sure everything's good. This wire's here.
That's there. It is.
at this point, it just has to go on and be tightened. Put pressure on that side.
Right here?
Yeah. Pick it up a little bit. Let's see.
Do these all have to be torqued?
Yes, they are going to be.
No, I mean, so the outside and
Little ones?
and the head bolts, yeah.
The little ones have a torque spec, but it's very similar to, they're not torqued to yield, so they don't matter. They matter, but they don't matter. These are the ones that stretch.
Yeah.
For example. Should be one in the corner.
I got that one over there. Oh, right here. Yeah.
And I'm just gonna snug it. Everybody's gonna look at me and be like, what the fuck are you doing? There we go.
Get snugging. We know we gotta torque it. Bought him some torque wrenches for this. Specifically, look at the black key. This for the V6 boat, so you know, feel free. And here's a military flashlight. That's goofy as hell.
Watching your video, got one video. We'll do a homie house and see where that video. Yeah.
Yeah, it was just a homie house, but camera died on me. Couldn't hold my phone because you know it's harder to hold the phone and try to record. But we were able to get the cylinder head on, torque down the specs and everything. And he's trying to talk over me, but yeah, we got everything torqued down the spec. Everything looks good, man. So on Thursday, I'll be coming back over here and we're gonna put it all together, throw some oil and coolant in there, and you know, let it cycle through, give it a little test run, and go from there. So, hey man, appreciate y'all checking out the short video, checking the update on Menace, and yeah, so.
And people going home.
And people going home, and that's all. But hey, as always, thank y'all for rocking out with us today.
With us, yeah.
Yeah, with us, yeah. So, hey.
We're going to a holiday. Yes, sure.
Yep, we're going home. Yes, sir. So, until next time.
Next time.
Hold on, y'all. We gotta get out of here.
Yeah, I gotta get out. Maybe.
1, 2, 3. Alright, y'all. Until next time. It's Rat Lifestyle. Check it out with another video. Peace. You gotta do a salute. You can't even see him. Salute.